I had my Fujifilm X-H2s for quite a while now, and frankly, I haven't utilized this to its full potential. Thankfully, Homan Philippines came into the market. It offers max read speed of 1800 Mbps and max write speed of 1700 Mbps. And to be honest, I'm really excited to use this on my Fujifilm X-H2s. But first, let's set it up. Alright, so let's set up my Fujifilm X-H2s to 6K 30fps open gate. And next, let's select ProRes HQ. And lastly, let's select F-Log2. So let's test it out. And of course, if you have the Homan CF Express Type B, you gotta pair this with the Homan CF Express Type B card reader. It's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 that can transfer 10 gigabytes per second. It comes with two cords, a USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. So let's try transferring the files I recorded here inside my studio. And look how big the files are. But as you can see, this 86.64 gigabyte is estimated to be transferred in just 2 minutes. Well, isn't that impressive? Because I am impressed. So if you are a Fujifilm X-H2s user, you definitely got to invest on these cards. Now you can get the Homan CF Express Type B and the card reader at the Homan Philippines, so check out their Facebook page or visit Vizen Marketing.